Hi, my name is Abbygale and I am the founder and owner of Joie de Vivre Events Management. Starting a small business can be very challenging, especially in the area of marketing and trying to get clients for your business. That's why I've been very thankful to work with Lameez Bailey. She's extremely creative, very passionate, and she's helped me to navigate my way through marketing strategies that will work for me specifically. And that's what I like about Lameez. She looks at things very holistically. She takes a sincere interest in you as a person and in your business. And she takes every aspect of your business and you, and she markets that part. And she looks at you specifically and helps you with what works for you. What I also like is that she's very invested in your growth, your personal growth and your growth in your business. I really love working with her, and I certainly highly recommend that you use her. See, what she does as well is with design. Yeah, go for it.